Hello, minasama! Ohayo gozaimasu! Today is another day. It is another Saturday. Yeah, it is another Saturday. We are reaching the end of May here. And we are going to next week will be officially June. Malapit na yung summer. How are you all? How are you all, guys? Are you all well? Kumusta naman yung quarantine natin dyan sa mga friendships ko sa Pilipinas? Kumusta? Kumusta? Nagiging bakla. I sound like a bakla. So, kumusta naman yung sitwasyon natin dyan sa Pilipinas? I heard that parang nilift na yung quarantine sa Metro Manila. I don't know. I'm not so sure because I don't watch TV and I refrain myself from being in Facebook so much. Kasi, alam niyo naman how toxic social media is. So, if working days, hindi talaga ako nag-Facebook masyado. During yung days lang na may upload ako sa YouTube, yun lang talaga yung time na nakakapag-Facebook ako during the weekdays. But other than that, I don't. And also, yeah, kasi wala na din akong time, marami din akong ginagawa when I am at home na. So, medyo busy yung life natin. So, I don't have really that much information dyan sa Pilipinas. But, sa amin daw sa Cebu, sabi ng pinsan ko because nag-usap kami kagabi lang na may bagong 78 cases daw sa Cebu. That is so sad to hear. Hopefully, wala nang new cases, no? Kasi, I just want this to be over. Kasi, guys, uwing-uwi na din ako sa Pilipinas. Kami ng asawa ko, kami ni Ruki. Hindi kami makauwi-uwi kasi nga, yun. Pag umuwi ka, parang may, ang sakit na ng aking kamay while holding the camera. So, may 14 days or more, hindi sure, na quarantine pag dumating ka sa Pilipinas. And then, if you go back here sa Japan, make another days naman na quarantine. So, hindi yan pwede kasi we only allowed 3 weeks off sa aming work. So, ayun, hindi talaga siya pwede. And then also, I don't know if all airlines nag-offer na ng flights. Hindi ko lang din sure pag yun nga. So, it's really not that easy for all of us. I know, iniisip nyo na, yan lang naman yung problema, no? Yung problema mo kaysa compared sa amin. I know, guys, pasensya na, but I know, hindi masyadong drastic yung aking pinoproblema. But I am also worried with my kids kasi nandun sila sa Pilipinas and then yung kasama nila is yung lolo't lola nila. Yeah, so ayun. So I hope everybody is well and safe. Just stay home if yung wala talaga kayong needed na puntahan sa labas. Basta para matapos-tapos na din tong pandemic na to, guys. So, ayun. I'm wishing everybody all well. And I'm gonna share you something. So today is moving day for us because we are gonna move out of this room. Yeah, we are gonna move out of this room. We will be changing to another room kasi hindi masyadong maganda yung surroundings ng room nito. Ng room na to pala. Medyo may kaingayan yung aming neighbor and we are having a hard time, sleeping at night kasi nga, yun, maingay sila. So, we need to change room. Ayan. So, I'm gonna show you the kalat. Ito, yan yung bed namin. Ang kalat-kalat. May plastic pa doon. Ang kalat-kalat. Ang kalat-kalat. Kalat. Everywhere. And then dito din. Yan. Ang kalat-kalat. And then, naglalaba pa ako. Hindi pa na-transfer yung washing machine. Yung microwave. Yung, basta, hindi pa. Yung ref. Oh my God. How are we gonna lift this one? It is. Good luck. Diba? Ang kalat-kalat. Kalat everywhere. Here, we have emptied most of the part. may mga box na lang. Ito is, like, yung, ewan ko kung itatapon to ni Rookie. But this box, not this box is gonna be a garbage, a trash. Itatapon na to. And then, this one is from my lights. I don't know if itatapon ko. Naiwan yung aking sapatos. Tapos, ito na lang. And then, wala na din dito, guys. Tapos, ito na lang din. Pero, madali lang. Konti lang naman yung mga gamit namin. Kaya, mabilis lang din mag-move. So, pretty much empty. Diyan din. Yeah, diba? Hello guys, welcome to our new apartment. Hi Rookie.
Thank you.
So I'm gonna show you how our new room looks like while it's still empty. Empty room, empty tour, empty apartment tour. Okay. So when you enter, this is how you see it. So firstly, there's the kitchen. That is the kitchen. Okay, yeah. We don't have a stove yet kasi nandun pa sa kabila. And then from there, if you go straight ahead, you can see me. Hi, lavatory. And then your... Oh, it's not... Ay, wala. Hindi pala ni Rookie yung light. Shower and tub. Yeah, there's the shower and your tub. And then on this door, if you are wondering, that door is the toilet. Ayan. Oh, is it like, yeah, wala pang ilaw. So that's the toilet. And then, if we come back here, if you go to the left side, oh, hello, Kalat. Ding! It's another room, which is maybe our living room. This is not very big, guys. Ayan. So, it's fairly bare. Madumi yung carpet. Sorry kasi tatakpan namin yan. Ayan. And then, on that side, guess what? Ano yan? Dito tayo dumaan. Kasi may door din dito eh. Butang na sa diha. Ako ray bahala. This is gonna be our bedroom. Ayan. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Ganito din yung itsura yung nung last na room namin before kami umuwi sa Pilipinas. Yeah, yung ibang naman. So, ayan. So, this is gonna be our bedroom. Ayan, yung sliding door. I don't know if you could remember from my old videos na ganito talaga yung setup, except na iba yung kulay niya. No? Iba lang yung kulay niya. And then, this is so typical. Hindi nyo makita against the light. So, that is such a typical closet, Japanese closet. And it makes me feel weird. Kasi so eerie. Yung parang sa mga, yung mga horror movies. Japanese horror movies. Ayan, so, I'm back to this again. But, medyo okay lang naman. But, still a little eerie, I guess. So, we have a very huge, yan, window here, which is perfect for like when you're filming a video. So maybe it will, hindi nyo makita, guys, sorry ne, dito kasi against the light, dito yung magiging bed. Yeah, this is much a smaller room compared sa aming previous na room, but at least dito hindi maingay. Yeah, kasi maingay talaga yung yung dati naming room. Hindi kami nakakatulog doon. So hopefully wala ding maingay dito. Hopefully yeah. So that is our empty apartment tour. Ayan. Diba? McDonald's for lunch. Ayan, yung setup ng McDonald's. Tapos, one table apart. Rookie! Hi guys, we are here at McDonald's for lunch. Magla-live? Di man matubag kay nag-watch og movie. Sige na kay nag-watch pa may movie. Ambot, weird. So, ako lang yung magmamakdo kasi si Rookie, hindi siya. So, here's my number. We're just waiting for my huli kasi ayaw niya na mag-upload. Hi guys, so it's lunchtime with McDonald's. So dito lang kami sa car kasi pupunta pa kami, may dadaanan pa kami sagad, but we will be hurrying kasi maghihintay kami sa gas boy. Gas boy. Taka na lang tabi, no? Saglit lang kami sa Wow. Maubos ko kaya yung yung Coca-Cola. Kain tayo, fries. Ang pangit na ng price ng McDo, no? Naliliit na. Hindi gaya sa sa Burger King. So I am having Grand Clubhouse. Grand Clubhouse. Kasi yung lagi kong kinakain is quarter pounder, tapos wala nang quarter pounder available. So eto na lang. Parang may siya guys. May tomato, lettuce, and bacon. Grand Clubhouse. Kasi ayoko din nung Big Mac kasi ang masyadong maraming patty. Not patty, bread. Yung bun pala. Ayoko nang masyadong maraming bun.
Napaato
tayo.
pati eh.
Dears daw. Our handyman. Yan, make it.
Basta Y series siya dere.
Pinalitan namin ng fluorescent kasi isa lang yung natira. And it's not gonna be enough kasi gusto namin yung maliwanag na maliwanag. But he's testing, tapos ilang beses na ayaw talaga sumindi nung last bulb. Ayan, so he's making it work. Work it like Miley. Twerk pala. Di pala work. Yan, magagambate si Rookie na pailawin niya yung last bulb.
But since it's not working.
Yeah, what's gonna be the diagnosis, sir? Oh. I am the hander. Handing. Wow, such a weird weather guys. Kanina nakita niyo naman na mainit na mainit, and now it is hailing outside. Not raining, but hailing. Ayan. I don't know if you can see, pero hindi niyo nakikita. Pero ang lakas ng hangin, ang lakas ng patak. And then, look at the sky. It's so dark. And it's hailing. So guys, ice cream bake muna tayo. I'm tired na. Parang siya. Yung sa choco butternut na na crunchy. Yeah. This is a smaller version pala kasi may my God, mayroon talagang aswang dito. Akala ko may ako. May yung malaking iba pang ice cream. Pero ito lang pala yung natira. Yun nga, yung sabi ko may yung original talaga na size nito, yung malaki. Ito kasi yung 6-pack na isang box. But masarap siya guys. Masarap yung crunch niya. Hi guys, snack muna tayo kasi look at that, napudpud ng aking kamay. sa kakalinis ng aming stove area. Yeah, it's yuck. It is already 5:30 and I'm so tired, transferring all our things. Konti lang naman sila but parang marami, walang katapusan pa rin kahit konti. Imagine nyo na lang kung marami kaming mga gamit, no? So magsisnack muna tayo. Eto, yung parang binangkal pero wala siyang sesame seeds. Pero it's not as tough compared to binangkal. Parang siya, donut pala na style na pan. And then this is a new one from Boss. Lemon tea nila. Dati Kirin lang, no? Kirin lang ang merong lemon tea. Ayan, yung drinks. Nauna na si Rocky, of course. Junk food. And nori. Itadakimasu. Wow! Ang daming liligpitin. Oh gosh. This will take a few days. Oh my God. Dosyo ka na. I'm tired already. It's already 6:30. So here's a table. Table's too big. Yeah. So we transferred the stove, yung ref, tsaka yeah, I think nasa labas yung washing machine. But the challenge is this. Hello guys. Oh, it is already 10 p.m. But I need to lower my voice because tulog na yung ibang tao. So, yun. Hindi pa, and may pinatapos pa konti si Rookie. But me, I felt so hungry. Kaya I'm gonna eat something. Kasi gutom ako. So ito yung kakainin natin. Pasensya na, nasa floor kasi inaabangan ko si Rookie, nandoon kasi siya. I wanted to look at him. So, dinner is pizza and Coke. Hindi ito Coke. Colgate na Pepsodent na Colgate. Pepsodent na Colgate. Pepsi. Pizza. I'm so hungry. Tabitay ako ng pizza. So, kain muna tayo guys. Itadakimasu. Hello mga friendship. So it is the next day. Hindi na ako nakapag-say goodnight last night kasi I'm so tired already guys. Grabe. And wala nang energy. I'm so tired. And nag-continue pa din kami today sa pag-settle down dito sa nilipatan namin na room. So ayan, as you can see from the background, medyo nalagay na namin yung mga ibang stuff. Yeah, but hindi pa siya totally na-organize kasi paunti-unti ko na lang gagawin yun, or si Rupin na din, paunti-unti niyang gagawin yun. So, this is what we have. And as far as this area, eto na muna. Andun pa rin yung aking mga sampay, no? But at least we already cleared some, but itatapon namin yung boxes pa, but wala na, naubusan na kami ng time kasi we need also to do some groceries. Yeah, tapos dito din hindi ko pa naligpit yung yung natupi pala yung mga damit namin. But I'm gonna do that each day kasi until 5 o'clock lang naman ako. So, little by little, gagawin ko yan. But, we are pretty much, okay with what we have right now. At least, na-clear out namin yung mga, dyan, tambak dyan, diba? As you can see, kahapon, hindi nyo nakita yung floor talaga. But now, it's pretty clear na. So, so happy with that. And, yeah, Sunday ngayon. Tapos, work na naman bukas. So, it is almost 7 na din. Hindi pa ako nakapag-iron ng aking uniform. So, I need to do that. But before doing that, I'm gonna eat first kasi parang lalagnatin talaga ako guys sa pagod. Hindi ako naligo. Hindi ako naligo today kasi parang iba talaga. Iba yung feeling ko. Tapos meron pa din akong TMI to. Meron din akong period today. Starting nung Friday pa. So, not feeling so well talaga. It's not a good timing but we need to do this. Ayun. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. And yeah, because I don't know, I just wanted to rest now. So, I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day as always, everyone. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And I will see you on my next video. Uyasumi!